remember when I was on the Ave, clutching them dimes, gut touching my spine, busting my rhymes, feeling like I'm living in them lost times. No sight of the future, damn right I shoot you, palm tight on the rooster. Old in the face, cause this hold on my case got my growth at a fast pace. Old folks like, oh, he's a bad case. He won't last, his track record to do the math. Crack solicitation on the Ave. It's not new to your listeners, but this is true, listen up. I gotta spew it, keep it all truth, or else I might as well get his music up from, let's keep it going, man. Keep it going. Yo. Now I understand every man got a story to tell. Fuck it, I got a story as well. Growing up where his niggas either buried or jail. Popped by Dirty Harry, yo, popped by the cops for the yayo. Locked in a cell. Who's to blame when I was raised in this hood where my crew was slain? Only a few remain. You talk about struggle with your bubblegum lifestyle. Nigga, fuck you. I'm here today for fam passed away. Bodies deep six, nigga, flesh decayed.